In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion quickly and easily in 2005. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, we're going to start things off by heading over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and navigate to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type in Notion Download and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, and what you want to look for is the official Notion website link. This is typically one of the top results, if not the very first one. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll be directed to the Notion website, where you can download the desktop app. Whether you're looking to download for Mac or Windows, this is where you'll find what you need. Now, if you're using a Windows PC, it's pretty straightforward. On the Notion download page, you should see a prominent button that says Download for Windows. Simply click on that, and your download should begin automatically. The download file will generally be found in your designated downloads folder, but if you've customized where your downloads are saved, check that specific folder. For Mac users, the process is just as easy. You'll want to scroll down a bit on the same page until you see the option to download the Mac version of Notion. Click on the Download for Mac button, and just like with Windows, the file will start downloading automatically. Again, keep in mind where your files are saved so you can find it easily once the download's complete. With the download finished, the next step is installation. For Windows users, locate the downloaded.exe file, usually in your downloads folder, and double-click it to start the installation process. You may see a prompt asking for permission to allow this app to make changes to your device. Simply click Yes or Allow to proceed. The installation wizard will guide you through the rest, and it's quite user-friendly, typically requiring just a few clicks to complete. For those on Mac, find the downloaded.dmg file, which is also commonly found in the Downloads folder. Double-click the file, and it will open a new window prompting you to drag the Notion icon into your Applications folder. This step effectively installs Notion onto your Mac, and there you have it. Once installation is complete, you can open Notion from your Start menu or Applications folder and sign into your account, or create a new account if you're new to Notion. Now you're ready to start exploring all the fantastic features that Notion offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you download and install Notion quickly and easily. Enjoy organizing your work with this powerful tool.